Ruthin-based Sky Dragons make daily visits to some of the steepest hills in North Wales to get a fresh new perspective on the world. Husband and wife Noel and Audrey Humphreys set up the paragliding school 10 years ago. It was one of the first in the UK. Someone with considerably less experience was about to get his first lesson.
All we're doing now, Matthew, is we're checking that the glider's in good condition, giving it a good visual check over, make sure that there was no damage last time out, and that when we put it away in the bag, no insects got in with it that were going to cause any damage to it while it was packed away.
When we get in the air, we'll run you through on how the glider flies, how we steer it, how we make a turn left, how we make a turn right, and control its speed. And if it's not too bumpy, you can have a fly of the glider as well.
Time then for a quick change and a final equipment check before throwing caution to the wind.
Put your arms in now. Good. Flying. Fly. Get a real kick out of helping people to put a new facet in their life. You know, they see things they never saw before. You know, they start noticing the mountains and wondering whether that'd be good to fly from. You see the sky and the birds and this sort of stuff, you know.
The sport can be dangerous and a little bumpy, as I discovered. Another drawback is the hike back up the steep hill once you've landed, though that's not a problem for someone as fit as me. Right, Matthew, what was that like? With good weather conditions, this exhilarating sport can be great fun, and for those who want to get out and see more of the countryside, the sky's the limit.